Good morning, students. In our previous class, we were up to here, page number 241. So today, we will start from the next page, the same chapter, with the same chapter, plants that live on insects. Okay. So, come to the next page, that is 242. Look here, a beautiful picture of a leaf of Venus flytrap has been given here. Okay. So let's read. The Venus flytrap is a North American plant which is similar to sundew. तो ये नॉर्थ अमेरिका में पाए जाने वाले sundew के जैसा ही एक पौधा है जो नॉर्थ अमेरिका में मिलता है. उसका नाम है Venus flytrap. The leaves are arranged in a similar rosette, but each one consists of two semicircles fringed with sharp teeth. देखो यहाँ पे सेमी सर्कल जैसा पार्ट है और शार्प टीथ दांत जैसे निकला हुआ है. ठीक है, कांटा या दांत जैसे. तो ये जो दो पार्ट है ये ऐसे करके बंद हो जाता है. जब कोई इंसेक्ट आके यहाँ पे गिरता है, इसके नेक्टर के द्वारा प्रभावित होकर attracted by the nectar of this Venus flytrap, insects come and get into the trap, and these two parts closed. Okay, so that is the function. At the end of a flattened stalk, in the center of each half, there are three more bristles. Bristles like brushes, there are bristles like things. As soon as an insect touches one of these bristles, वही bristles जैसे जो होते हैं, ब्रश जैसा जो होता है, तो उसमें अगर कोई भी इंसेक्ट आके थोड़ा सा इसको टच किया तो the two halves of the leaf snap together like a trap and enclose it. तो जैसे ही इंसेक्ट आके यहाँ पे अंदरी जो पार्ट है, अंदरूनी जो पार्ट है, यहाँ पे ब्रिसल्स लाइक थिंग्स है. ओके, और वहां पे इंसेक्ट्स आके जैसे ही टच होता है ये तुरंत ही ऐसे बंद हो जाता है, जैसे उसको मतलब ट्रैप कर लिया हो. If we visit Kew or any other botanical garden with hot houses, we shall see not only sundew growing but some other insectivorous plants called pitcher plants. This plant, so we can also see this kind of plants here. Excuse me. These plants come from North America and Madagascar. Each plant bears perhaps 24 pitchers. Come to the next page. Here the pitcher plant's picture is given. Okay, pitcher plant. It's like a kalash. Okay, so here is the opening of that kalash, and when the insects come attracted by its nectar, it slips down into the pitcher and the cap closes here. Okay, so that is the technology. So here we were reading. Here we were the lines were okay. These plants come from North America and Madagascar. Each plant bears perhaps 24 pitchers. एक एक पौधे पे 2 डजन यानी 24 approx pitchers होते हैं. Each of which reminds us somewhere of a Dutchman's pipe. The bowl, it looks like Dutchman's pipe. The bowl is formed from part of the leaf and rises from the end of a long drooping stem, while a small leaf-like lid protects the opening at the top from rain. The pitcher is streaked with red and green and is very attractive, but insects on the lookout for nectar are attracted by quantities of this sweet liquid which they find on the outside of the pitcher, which I have told you that attracted by the sweet nectar, they came and they get influenced and they got into the pitcher. And at the top, round the rim. Once at the top, curious insects peer inside and see more nectar on the sides of the pitcher. तो वो जब आके बैठता है तो अंदर में उसको और भी नेक्टर दिखते हैं. In their greed, they climb down towards it. और उन लोगों में लालच जाग उठती है, तो अंदर जाने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं और फिसल के अंदर चले जाते हैं. Nothing stops them. The pitcher is certainly lined with long hairs, but they all point downwards and assist the fly in reaching the nectar. Once satisfied, however, the fly tries to return and finds that those long hairs are pointing towards him. So when they got into the pitcher, they find it difficult to come out because the bristles-like things were also there, and they were like prickles. They prick them. If they try to come out of the pitcher, the bristles will prick them. So they are unable to come out of the pitcher. They helped him to descend, not to ascend. But now they are turned against him. He struggles to climb and now finds that the sides of the pitcher are very slippery, as I have told you. The sides of the pitcher are very slippery. At last, in his struggle to climb, he slips and falls down to the bottom of the pitcher into the water which has collected there. This is no ordinary water. It is acid and very like. So, the water in the pitcher, the liquid in the pitcher is acidic in nature because it has to digest the insect into it and get the nutrients from the insect. So, it is acid and very, very like the juice in our stomachs. What is the function of our stomach? Stomach digests the food which we take. Okay. So, when the food get into the stomach, some kinds of juices, some kinds of acidic juices came out, and they help to digest the foods and get the nutrients out of the food which we get through from the food, and by our nerves and blood, the nutrients get into our body, everywhere of our body. So as like that, the plant gets its nutrient from the insect, by the help of the acid, the insects comes to digest, okay, which digest our food. So the poor fly is drowned and digested, and his juice goes to feed the pitcher plant, and the pitcher plant get the nutrient. Okay, we usually find insectivorous plants growing where the soil is very poor and especially lacking in their kind of manure, which we call nitrates. Look, it's a kind of adaptation. You know adaptation? Adaptation, that means when an animal or a plant lives in an atmosphere and adapt himself or change its parts or change its nature according to the atmosphere where it lives, so it called adaptation. ओके कोई भी इंसान या पेड़ पौधा या पशु जो होते हैं, वो जहाँ पे रहते हैं उसके हिसाब से वो अपने आप को चेंज कर लेते हैं. जैसे तुम लोग देखोगे पोलर बियर जो होता है, पोलर बियर के शरीर में बहुत सारे फर्स होते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज इट हैज टू सर्वाइव द चिल कोल्ड ऑफ दैट साइबेरियन क्लाइमेट. तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा होता है, बर्फ होता है चारों तरफ, तो उसको बचना है ना वहां से, इसलिए उसके शरीर में उतने ज्यादा फर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऐसे हर पेड़ पौधा जो है अपने आप को चेंज कर लेता है. दे मैनेज टू गेट द कंफर्ट फ्रॉम द एटमोस्फेयर वेयर इट लिव्स इन. ओके, सो सेम लाइक दैट, जैसे पुअर सॉइल में ये जो प्लांट्स होते हैं ये ग्रो करते हैं, तो ये दे आर लैकिंग इन द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, सो दे हैव टू टेक द न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू सर्वाइव. उन लोगों को लेना है तो क्या करेंगे, इसीलिए वो अपने आप को थोड़ा चेंज कर लेते हैं एंड दे ट्राई टू गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम आउटर एटमोस्फियर. ओके, एक्चुअली हम लोग क्या जानते हैं कि प्लांट्स अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो सॉइल से मिलता है उन लोगों को. तो अगर सॉइल से ना मिले तो अपने आप को चेंज करके कुछ ऐसा कुछ करते हैं वो लोग, ऐसा ही कुछ मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी उनके शरीर में बन जाता है जिससे कि उन लोगों को न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल सके. गॉट इट? ओके. soil is very poor and especially lacking in that kind of manure which we call nitrates. Some of them can live without the insects, but they do not flourish. For the insects provide them with the nitrate food which is missing from the soil. So the soil is lacking from nitrate kind of foods, and they got the nitrate kind from the insect. If these plants lived entirely upon the insects or could not live without them, we should call them parasites. Okay, so what is parasites? The idea is clear from this line. There are many such plants. Another example of parasites, the worms which we have in our digestive system, that is also parasites. Okay, there are many such plants, but they are not plants which set traps for insects. And if they do live on animal food, they usually wait until the animals are dead. So we got many thoughts and many ideas from this text. So you have to, and it is good for your knowledge also. So you have to learn this chapter very minutely. Okay. So from EVM Knight's The Golden Nature Readers. So it is adapted from this Golden Nature book. Okay. Golden Nature Readers. And you please go through the text very carefully, and we will do question answers in our next class. Okay, thank you.